The Bengal cat is a crossbreed between the Asian leopard cat and a domestic shorthair. The Bengal looks like a wild cat and has a lot of fur. This cat's fur can come in different colors and patterns: tan, silver, brown, marble, horizontal stripes, leopard spots, or even some have shimmering fur. This cat is muscular with a long torso. Bengal cats are very talkative, smart, and energetic. You will need to keep this cat entertained at all times, because if you don't, your house might start looking like a jungle. The Bengal cat can turn your light switches on and off, play with the sealant in your drains, and can eject DVDs from your DVD player. Some cats hate water, but not the Bengal. When you take a shower, this cat may jump in the tub with you.
Doing, huh? What you doing? What you doing?
On this episode of I Raised a Kitten in Quarantine and Now I Have a Cat with Separation Anxiety, we're in the shower.
Meow meow 叫，呀呀呀，喵喵喵
Yo, nigga! What you doing? Look at this. Yo, I wish you knew this wasn't normal. You know what I mean? I know it's cool to you. It's cool to me too. But this is abnormal behavior. Yeah.
Junior. Junior, oh, look at him. Oh my goodness. What's my big, oh. This is my little demon.
I'm chewing on my foot, chewing on my foot, chewing on my foot. Now I am licking my foot, licking my foot. Disturbance in the force. Jack!
You're my freaking life. You're my reason for breathing. Everything I do is for you, so that you can have a better life, so that you can eat fancy feast.
Do what you gonna do. Just do what you gonna do, man.
I did the challenge where I put my cats against the wall to see if they are smart. Pepper passed. Voodoo passed. Siam failed.
Something we do not talk about enough is whenever a cat is trying to catch a bug and their owner is helping them and the cat like completely understands the assignment. I literally saw someone tossing their cat up to the ceiling, and every time the cat knew to, grasp its paws once it got up to the ceiling. Like, it's beautiful. It's a beautiful example of teamwork, and we don't talk enough about it.
You're my freaking life. You're my reason for breathing. Everything I do is for you, so that you can have a better life, so that you can eat fancy feast whenever you want to. Everything I do.
Well, I guess it works. More potent than catnip. Get your cat high as a kite with Silverine. Just look at Beetlejuice. Beetle, are you high?
Timmy? Why are you sitting like that? Why are your legs crossed? Huh? Okay then. You too bougie for me. Alright.
Cooter, what do you want for your birthday coming up? Cooter, I can't just put chicken on your Amazon wish list.
Should we try to get it or something?
I know, we get it right now. Just want the cat to see it.
It's gonna have a heart attack.
شو صبايا من بعد إذن كبيرنا طبعا ننزل هالفيديو. هول بسينات فيكم تقولوا شوي بريين، ما بيحبوا يقعدوا بالبيوت أبدا، خاصة السنو الأبيض واللي حده السوداء. فعم حاول كل يوم طعميهم وما خليهم بالأكل طبعا يعني. وإن شاء الله يوم بعد يوم بدي يصير أعرفهم على هاني يتقبلوه.
God, you ain't got no job. You live on my couch. You don't even pay rent. Oh my God, you disrespectful.
Os humanos dizem: meu gato é obcecado por mim. Tá bom, e as milhares de fotos minhas dormindo que achei no seu telefone? Eu deveria me preocupar.